Good morning, everyone. Thank you for taking the time to join me today. I'm from Group 3, and I'm pleased to welcome you to my presentation on Albedo Lab. Today, I'll be sharing some insights and ideas that I believe will offer a fresh perspective on the subject. I appreciate your interest and attention, and I hope that by the end of our time together, you'll find the discussion both informative and engaging. Without further ado, let's begin. What is albedo? Albedo is the measure of how much radiant energy from the sun is reflected. What is hypothesis? If a darker material is placed under a light, then it will absorb more energy and become warmer than a lighter material, because darker materials have a lower albedo. Next is investigation. Materials that we're going to use are stapler, scissors, desk lamp with a 60-watt bulb, black construction paper, white construction paper, to sheets of foam and thermometers for each pair of students. Procedure. To study albedo, work in pairs to complete the following lab. Step 1. Cut 2 4¼ by 5½ squares, 1 from black construction paper, 1 from white construction paper. Step 2. Fold each square in half twice. Step 3. Staple 2 edges of each square to form pockets. Place each pocket on a piece of foam to insulate it from the tabletop. Step 4. Place the bulb end of each thermometer into the pocket. Step 5. Place the pockets with the thermometers directly under the lamp so that they receive equal amounts of light. The lamp should be pointed straight down. Step 6. Allow 2 minutes for the thermometers to reach the temperature of the surrounding air. This will be the initial temperature for the lamp. Record this initial temperature on the chart below. Turn on the lamp. Record the temperature of each thermometer every 2 minutes for the next 20 minutes. Be sure to use the same units Fahrenheit or Celsius for both thermometers. Then data. This is record data in our experimentation. Analysis of data. 1. Which thermometer registered the warmest temperature? Answer is black. 2. Which thermometer registered the fastest rise in temperature? Answer is black. Conclusion. 1. Was your hypothesis supported? Yes. It showed that low albedo is absorbed the heat more than high albedo, while high albedo is reflected the reflection more than low albedo. Based on your analysis of data, light colors have low or high albedos, while dark colors have low or high albedos. 3. Classify the following in order of lowest to highest albedo: fresh snow, dirt, and tundra. Low. Answer is low, dirt, tundra, fresh snow, high. 4. If an increase in global temperatures causes interior Alaska to remain snow-free for 2 additional weeks each year, how will it affect albedo, and why? Answer is interior Alaska's albedo will decrease because snow-free surfaces absorb more sunlight than reflective snow, leading to further warming. 5. If the albedo of interior Alaska decreases, how will this affect temperatures and ice formation in the winter? Explain. Answer is a decrease in albedo will cause higher temperatures in interior Alaska as more sunlight is absorbed. This can delay ice formation in winter. Further questions. 1. Name the traditional technology used to protect eyes from the high albedo of snow. Answer is snow goggles. 2. Circle 1. Compared to the rest of the world, in April 2002, Alaska has a low or high albedo. Answer is high. 3. Circle 1. According to the map from April 2002, sandy desert areas have a low or high albedo. Answer is low. 4. If the satellite was able to measure albedo in northern Greenland, what color do you predict it would be? Answer is white. 5. Draw a diagram that shows the relationship among absorbed sunlight, melting snow and ice, and lower albedo. Describe what your diagram means. 1. Sunlight is initially reflected by high albedo surfaces like snow and ice. 2. As temperatures rise, melting snow and ice reduce the high albedo. 3. Exposed darker surfaces absorb more sunlight, resulting in a lower albedo. 4. This absorbed energy causes further melting, accelerating the process. Thank you for listening to this presentation.